In this video, we'll discuss the available accessibility features on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. This includes wheelchair mode, spoken watch face, color filters, hourly alerts, and text size. In this video, we will be using a Venue 4 smartwatch. See your smartwatch's owner's manual for feature compatibility. First, we'll discuss wheelchair mode. With wheelchair mode, you won't be distracted by metrics you don't need. Instead, your watch will start tracking movements like pushes throughout the day. You'll still be able to see all of your health metrics, including body battery, heart rate, sleep, and more. There are two ways you can turn on wheelchair mode. The first way is during the initial setup for your device. You can do this on your smartwatch or via the Garmin Connect smartphone application. The second is through the watch settings. Here, scroll down and select User Profile. Then, scroll down and select Wheelchair Mode. Set up your preferences for this mode. Your watch also comes with wheelchair-specific activities to help you track how you move. These include push-based activities for indoor and outdoor push speeds, indoor and outdoor hand cycling, and more. To start a workout, select an activity. Then scroll down to Training or Workouts to browse wheelchair-enabled workouts. Your smartwatch also has a variety of animated workouts you can follow for cardio, strength, HIIT, Pilates, and yoga. These can be downloaded through the Garmin Connect smartphone application and sent to your smartwatch. Once sent, wait for your smartwatch to sync with the Garmin Connect account. Finally, open the activity and start the workout. The spoken watch face feature allows your smartwatch to speak your watch face data fields. To turn on this feature, open the watch settings. Then scroll down and select Accessibility. Now, select Spoken Watch Face. Select either Time and Date Only or Entire Watch Face. Once you turn on your preferred option, your smartwatch will walk you through the steps to activate the feature. Next, let's go through the color filters. They allow you to change color display options to assist with various forms of color blindness. To change color filters, open Watch Settings. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Scroll down and select Color Filters. Your smartwatch offers 4 types of color features: Grayscale, Red-Green, Green-Red, and Blue-Yellow. You can also receive hourly alerts for every hour change. To do this, open Watch Settings. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Then, scroll down and select Hourly Alert. Toggle the status to On. Then, choose how you want to receive your hourly alert. Choose between a vibration alert, a sound alert, or have the alert spoken to you. By selecting the sound option, you can choose to hear a chime or a tone. Lastly, you can change your watch's text size. Start by opening the watch settings. Then scroll down and select Display and Brightness. Scroll down and select Text Size. Use the slider to change the text size. When you're done, tap the check mark at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You're all set to get started with accessibility features on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. For more help, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.